Assalamualaikum, this is Saline once again. Today I am going to show the present condition of Bhatiapara, Kasiani Gopalgonj and Gopalgonj district. So let's get seen. Hi friends, we can see the very natural places here. Very good condition. I am also visiting. So I can see this is the paramedical college Kasiani, and I am standing the railway of Bhatiapara Kasiani Upazila. Wow, so beautiful condition, very beautiful condition. Another side I can see a nice breeze, and we can see the two railway junction. That left side I can see that has gone to Gopalgonj, and another railway that is gone to Bhatiapara Bazaar. So there are very nice places, not only nice place but also everything is nice. So every people, not only me, another people, if come there, they will enjoy very good situation, good scenery, good natural beauties. So there are nice green tree, very nice green tree. So many people will fall in love the natural beauty. So everyone can miss it. Because very nice places. That is why many people will miss it. So very sunny time I have come here. So I feel hot very. Oh, another line we can see. That line will go to Joshore side, Joshore Benapul. From Dhaka to Benapul, this rail line will make. So I have come also work this railway project. So now I am working railway project, CREC for the link project. Project means China Railway Engineering Company. I am also supplier these tools. So very busier time. I am just enjoying this. So this is the west side, and from west side it has gone to east side. East side Bhanga, from Bhanga Faridpur from come this railway, and it will go in some in front of you, some in front of me have a Madhumati river, then Norail, then Joshore, then Benapul. But very distance. Bangladeshi railway station change a poverty, so it will be reached day by day. I think Bangladeshis numerous problems gradually changing, so it will make up solving problem Bangladeshi railway junction. So very good idea for our Bangladeshi government. I think it will be make as soon as possible. Another time I will come back another topics to take another topic. So for today I am going to stop my video. So because very sunny and very hot, I feel very hot. So all the best. Allah Hafiz.